Claude 4 was just released and it's one of the best models for coding right now. Specifically, Anthropic released Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4, and they focused specifically on coding, reasoning, and AI agents. These models are super good in order to use tools, they have new capabilities, and can follow instructions more precisely. Also, Claude Code got a huge upgrade and is integrated with GitHub Actions as well as VS Code and JetBrains tools. And they also opened up new capabilities on their API. So guys, here we can see the benchmark of Claude 4 on the software engineering benchmark. As we can see, it's better than Codex 1 from OpenAI, O3, GPT 4.1 and Gemini 2.5 Pro. Also, it's a very big jump compared to Sonnet 3.7. Here we can see even more benchmarks, and what stands out is the agentic tool use. So this is super important because it's very crucial for these kind of models to be able to use tools. Also, they did a significant improvement in the performance on math competitions and datasets, which was something that they were lacking severely. Also, they improved just a little bit the visual reasoning. It's quite obvious that Claude 4 Opus and Claude Sonnet are very close to each other. However, the pricing is completely different between these two models. As we all know, Claude has 3 different subscriptions, and also Claude 4 Opus was able to outperform the other models in terms of memory capabilities. So, for example, it played Pokemon better than the other models. And we see the first case of thinking summaries that use the different model to do this summarization thing. So this improves the ability of the models to be used with longer contexts, and there's a lot of talk about these models being used autonomously to code for like 7 or 8 hours. You can find them available right now on their website. You select Sonnet here, you can also select the older models, but Sonnet is the default. If you have the subscription, you can also check out Opus. Today's video is not to show you exactly how good this is. This is not a benchmark. But if you want to learn about other AI tools, you can check the course down below in the description. You pay a very small one-time fee to gain access to the course, and we cover over 18 hours of content about AI and tools. And I will be updating this course in 2025 and beyond. So you buy once and you get all of the updates completely for free every single week. So let's try and create a website with the new Claude 4 Sonnet, which is the best model for coding. So let's give it this prompt and let's see what the response will be. So we can see that the website is getting generated. The model is quite fast, not the fastest model that I have ever seen, but it looks solid. In terms of pricing, Claude Sonnet 4 is costing around $3 per 1 million input context and $15 per million output context. In the same time, Opus is priced nearly 5 times more costly than Claude Sonnet. So it's probably a 4 times bigger model, but as we can see, the performance is not that better. So this is also super interesting to see. I would highly suggest if you use these models every day to code or whatever, just use Sonnet. It's also better on coding, at least on the benchmarks we've seen, and it should do the job. It should do the job for you. Like if you see here, it's very good for the agentic terminal coding, the agentic coding, the graduate level reasoning. It uses agentic tools quite well. So I don't find any reason to use Opus 4. And I think this goes to show that, Anthropic may have, hit a wall with their best model, getting a 2% upside, 2% absolute upside really doesn't matter. It might be just the data and known improvements. Also, what this slide lacks is O4 mini high and Gemini 2.5 with deep think. So I think Claude 4 Sonnet and Claude 4 Opus are not very competitive. They are a little better in terms of coding, but in terms of pricing, they're so much costlier than the competition, nearly 2 to 3 times more costly. So the website is still getting generated, and this is the SPX 500 calculator. So let's say 100 and 1000, calculate returns. Is it even working? Maybe it's lacking an API or something. This is not working. So I really don't know if this is exactly what I wanted. I really like some animations. It looks good. And yeah, it's a good website. So let me give it another check. Let me try and create a transformer page. I think this is going to be a better benchmark for Claude Sonnet. Okay, so we have the response for the transformer website. And yeah, what is this? I mean, I really like this. If you click start learning, it's going to bring you into some kind of error. You can also publish like a website with a single click. So let's get this link. Let's check it out. But right now I'm not super excited with the response from Claude Sonnet. Okay, interactive playground. And this is not even working. So yeah, this is pretty disappointing. For some reason, I think that the previous model was a little better. I have this kind of feeling. So let me give one more try, one more chance to Claude 4. You know, a lot of people will tell me, why are you saying Claude 4 is insane or is amazing on the title? Well, sorry guys, I just have to do a little bit of clickbait because competition is so difficult to play around. So right now we're going to create a small game, a platformer where we will do specific things and we will be testing this out. But yeah, this is not very exciting. I don't like the responses of Sonnet and I expected something a lot better. Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead and test out the game. So space flyer, navigate your spacecraft, up arrow or click to lift, space to start. Okay, so I really like this specific opening screen. Let's check it out. Okay, so I really like the speed of the game. Okay, so this is a difficult obstacle and game over. Let's try it again. So I gotta say that the game looks nice. I don't like the obstacles. I think they're very bad. And yeah, okay. So the game seems to work. There's just a lag of P5JS. So that's why the obstacle detection is not good. But at least the game is kind of good. It's not the most perfect game, but I guess it does the job. So in my opinion, Claude 4 Sonnet at its current stage, what I'm seeing right now, I don't love it. In all honesty, it doesn't feel that great. Maybe I'm doing a mistake, but I have seen a lot better results with other models. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me your opinion and I will see you in the next video.